All right, we just finished part A of that super tough exam problem. Let's do part B. This one's even harder. Find the indefinite integral of secant cubed theta d theta. So this one is super important. If you're taking integral calculus, you got an exam, be ready for this question. Do not be surprised by this. It is a standard question, but non-trivial, okay? So it's very testable, but quite difficult to do. So let's get into it. We have to use integration by parts. We have to use the traditional way, uv minus v du. So we look at how to set it up. We split it up into secant theta times secant squared theta. We set u to secant theta, we can derive that. We set dv equal to secant squared theta because we can integrate that. That's just tangent. So we differentiate the first part, we get secant theta tan theta, and then we integrate, which is tan theta here. Now we plug it into the formula. The integral of the original thing is equal to uv minus integral of v du. uv is this one here, minus integral of v du here. Simplifies to this thing here. So now we have to figure out this integral. This is what remains to be solved. And for that one, we'll use this identity of switching out tan squared theta for secant squared theta minus 1. So this integral becomes this. We multiply through the secant theta, we get this. We split up the integral over this minus sign, we get this. And now something interesting has happened, and you have to be aware of these type of problems. Sometimes you get back the original thing that you were trying to solve for. So we have to distribute that negative from before. But then what we do is we take this and we bring it over to the left side of the equation here. And now we've got two of them. So we have two integral of secant cubed theta is equal to this stuff here, which is fine. We can just divide both sides by 2. And now what remains to be solved is the integral from part A that we already solved for. Nice. I'm Sheldon. I have my master's in math from Waterloo. I used to grade these exams and now I show you how to ace them. So from part A, we had this integral is equal to all this stuff. And now we just sub it in. So this is a great one to have in your tool bag. It's a great one to practice. It practices several different skills. It is excellent exam prep and very testable.